I told you even in our first session that consume media in English and things will make sense to you. At least you will understand the language. And in the class, whenever you get opportunity, be vocal, talk to people.
Okay.
Yeah. Shall we start now our vocabulary section?
Yes.
So let's start with Chandan. As you work in a bank, what do you understand by this word cash flow?
Movement of money.
Correct.
Yes.
Hmm. Here is one more example. Manage your cash flow properly. So in simple words in हिंदी कैश फ्लो का मतलब क्या होता है कि आपके पास पैसा आ रहा है और कहाँ आप उसको स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, राइट? मनी कमिंग इन एंड गोइंग
Yes.
आउट, दैट इज कॉल्ड
Going out.
कैश फ्लो. So manage your cash flow properly. Go ahead. Tell me the Hindi of this. Hindi meaning. Chandan.
हिंदी मीनिंग,
Yeah.
अपने कैश को अच्छे तरीके से मेंटेन करो कि कितना आपको रखना है, कितना स्पेंड करना है. तो दिस इज
Yeah.
द मीनिंग ऑफ मैनेज योर कैश फ्लो प्रॉपरली.
Yeah. Business depends on cash flow.
आपका जितना भी बिजनेस है, जितना भी कारोबार है, वो क्या करता है, निर्भर करता है आपके कैश फ्लो पर कि आप
Yes.
लॉस में हैं तो इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं या कि नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Poor cash flow causes problems.
ये तो यही बात है. पुअर कैश फ्लो में अगर खराब कैश फ्लो है तो आपका बिजनेस ठीक नहीं चल रहा है.
100%. 100%.
हम्म.
Kishan, it's your turn. The next word is brainstorming. Here are your options.
I think thinking alone.
No. It has to do with thinking, but the main meaning is group idea discussion. Like
Yeah, discussion.
brainstorming, you
Yes.
get together, you think about a
Group.
particular problem, and then people come up with ideas. That process is called brainstorming. Let's do brainstorming. Can you explain?
It means let's start discuss in a group.
Yeah. We had a brainstorming session.
I think it's mean we had discussed about so many things in a group, so it
Correct.
was when
Last. Brainstorming improves ideas.
discussing in a group in particular with the pupils, definitely it improves ideas. Everybody
Kishan,
put their inputs.
the way you are explaining things, it is great. Like you are not taking help of Hindi, you are explaining sentences English to English. And today, your sentences are to the point, not using like multiple times. So good job. Yeah. Rahul, do you want to explain this one? Reality check.
Truth realization.
Yeah.
It's about truth realization.
ट्रूथ रियलाइजेशन इन हिंदी. रियलिटी चेक का मतलब होता है कि जैसे आप एकदम भोजपुरी लैंग्वेज में बोले तो औकात पता चलना. ट्रूथ रियलिटी चेक, जैसे हम कुछ ज़्यादा ही उड़ रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं चल रहा है कि वी आर स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, देन समथिंग हैपेंस एंड दैट्स आवर रियलिटी चेक. वी हैव टू बी माइंडफुल वेयर आवर मनी इज गोइंग. So there we can use this word or phrase reality check. Can you make a sentence?
Facing real situation.
Yeah.
I think we need to use reality check word.
Yeah. Okay, look at one example, then you can make your sentences. This exam was a reality check. मतलब इस एग्जाम के बाद मुझे पता चला कि मैं कहाँ स्टैंड कर रहा हूँ, where I am standing. Can you make a sentence now?
This example.
Working on.
After joining. After working for since 1 year.
I got my reality check.
I got my reality check. Yeah. And the next sentence is okay. Yeah, life gives reality check also, and our skill set also gets our reality check where I am standing right now.
You can add some elements here. Life gives reality checks regularly. If you add one word regularly, this will sound a lot better. It was a harsh reality check.
When a person doing anything, by hands-on, they will get a reality check
Correct. It was a harsh reality check for me. Creating a YouTube channel was a reality check for me. I understood where I was standing in terms of communication skills. So try to play with
Yeah.
words again, like add some of situation from your lives, take examples from this. So these are very common words. Again, you don't have to remember anything, but just watch it a few times and try to make sentences. That should be your goal, to make sentences.